AutoCAD.
AutoCAD is a software application for 2D and 3D computer-aided design and drafting, available since 1982 as a desktop application and since 2010 as a mobile web and cloud-based app marketed as AutoCAD 360. Developed and marketed by Autodesk, Incorporated, AutoCAD was first released in December 1982, having been purchased a year prior in its original form by Autodesk founder John Walker. The software is marketed in its 18th generation. As Autodesk's flagship product, by March 1986 AutoCAD had become the most ubiquitous microcomputer design program worldwide, with functions such as polylines, and curve fitting. Prior to the introduction of AutoCAD, most other CAD programs ran on mainframe computers or mini-computers, with each CAD operator, user, working at a graphical terminal or workstation. AutoCAD is used across a range of industries, including architects, project managers and engineers, among other professions, with 750 training centers established worldwide as of 1994.
History.
AutoCAD was derived from a program begun in 1977 and released in 1979 called InteractCAD, also referred to in early Autodesk documents as MicroCAD, which was written prior to Autodesk's, then Marinchip software partners, formation by Autodesk co-founder Mike Riddle. The 2015 release marked the 29th major release for the AutoCAD for Windows. The 2014 release marked the fourth consecutive year for AutoCAD for Mac.
Design. File formats and versions.
The native file format of AutoCAD is DWG. This and, to a lesser extent, its interchange file format DXF, have become de facto, if proprietary, standards for CAD data interoperability. AutoCAD has included support for DWG, a format developed and promoted by Autodesk, for publishing CAD data.
Compatibility with other software.
ESRI ArcMap 10 permits export as AutoCAD drawing files. Civil 3D permits export as AutoCAD objects and as land XML. Third-party file converters exist for specific formats such as Bentley MXGNIO extension, PISTE extension, France, Ishibo, Germany, Oakstra and Microdrainage, UK.
Languages.
AutoCAD 2014 and AutoCAD LT 2014 are available for English, German, French, Italian, Spanish, Japanese, Korean, Chinese Simplified, Chinese Traditional and Brazilian Portuguese. Russian, Czech, Polish, Hungarian will be available later on. The extent of localization varies from full translation of the product to documentation only. The AutoCAD command set is localized as a part of the software localization.
Extensions.
AutoCAD supports a number of APIs for customization and automation. These include AutoLisp, VisualLisp, VBA, ANET and ObjectArcs. ObjectArcs is a C++ class library, which was also the base for A. products extending AutoCAD functionality to specific fields. B. creating products such as AutoCAD Architecture, AutoCAD Electrical, AutoCAD Civil 3D. Or, C. third-party AutoCAD-based application. There is a large number of AutoCAD plugins, add-on applications, available on the application store Autodesk Exchange Apps.
Vertical integration.
Autodesk has also developed a few vertical programs: AutoCAD Architecture, AutoCAD Civil 3D, AutoCAD Electrical, AutoCAD ECS-CAD, AutoCAD Map 3D, AutoCAD Mechanical, AutoCAD MEP, AutoCAD Structural Detailing, AutoCAD Utility Design, AutoCAD P&ID and AutoCAD Plant 3D, for discipline-specific enhancements. For example, AutoCAD Architecture, formerly Architectural Desktop, permits architectural designers to draw 3D objects, such as walls, doors and windows, with more intelligent data associated with them rather than simple objects, such as lines and circles. the data can be programmed to represent specific architectural products sold in the construction industry, or extracted into a data file for pricing, materials estimation, and other values related to the objects represented. Additional tools generate standard 2D drawings, such as elevations and sections, from a 3D architectural model. Similarly, Civil Design 3D, and Civil Design Professional support data-specific objects, facilitating easy standard civil engineering calculations and representations. Civil 3D was originally developed as an AutoCAD add-on by a company in New Hampshire called Sofdesk, originally DCA. Sofdesk was acquired by Autodesk, and Civil 3D was further evolved.
Variants. AutoCAD LT.
AutoCAD LT is the lower-cost version of AutoCAD, with reduced capabilities, first released in November 1993. Autodesk developed AutoCAD LT to have an entry-level CAD package to compete in the lower price level. AutoCAD LT, priced at $495, became the first AutoCAD product priced below $1,000. It is sold directly by Autodesk and can also be purchased at computer stores, unlike the full version of AutoCAD, which must be purchased from official Autodesk dealers. As of the 2011 release, the AutoCAD Lieutenant MSRP has risen to $1,200. While there are hundreds of small differences between the full AutoCAD package and AutoCAD LT, there are a few recognized major differences in the software's features. 3D capabilities. AutoCAD LT lacks the ability to create, visualize and render 3D models as well as 3D printing. Network licensing. AutoCAD LT cannot be used on multiple machines over a network. Customization. AutoCAD LT does not support customization with Lisp, ARX, and VBA, management and automation capabilities with Sheet Set Manager and Action Recorder, CAD standards management tools. AutoCAD LT 2015 introduced desktop subscription from $360 per year.
AutoCAD 360.
Formerly marketed as AutoCAD WS, AutoCAD 360 is an account-based mobile and web application enabling registered users to view, edit, and share AutoCAD files via mobile device and web using a limited AutoCAD feature set, and using cloud-stored drawing files. The program, which is an evolution and combination of previous products, uses a freemium business model with a free plan and two paid levels, marketed as Pro, $4.99 monthly or $49.99 yearly, and Pro Plus, $99.99 yearly, including various amounts of storage, tools, and online access to drawings. 360 includes new features such as a Smart Pen mode and linking to third-party cloud-based storage such as Dropbox. Having evolved from Flash-based software, AutoCAD 360 uses HTML5 browser technology available in newer browsers including Firefox and Google Chrome. AutoCAD WS began with a Flash-based version for the iPhone and subsequently expanded to include version for the iPod Touch, iPad, Android phones, and Android tablets. Autodesk released the iOS version in September 2010, following with the Android version on April 20, 2011. The program is available via download at no cost from the App Store, iOS, Google Play, Android, and Amazon App Store, Android. In its initial iOS version, AutoCAD WS supported drawing of lines, circles, and other shapes, creation of text and comment boxes, and management of color, layer, and measurements, in both landscape and portrait modes. Version 1.3, released August 17, 2011, added support of unit typing, layer visibility, area measurement and file management. The Android variant includes the iOS feature set along with such unique features as the ability to insert text or captions by voice command as well as manually. Both Android and iOS versions allow the user to save files online, or offline in the absence of an internet connection. In 2011, Autodesk announced plans to migrate the majority of his software to the cloud, starting with the AutoCAD WS mobile application, According to a 2013 interview with Eli Rothbahn, an AutoCAD WS product manager for Autodesk, the name AutoCAD WS had no definitive meaning, and was interpreted variously as Autodesk Web Service, Whitesheet or Workspace.
Student versions.
AutoCAD is licensed at a significant discount over commercial retail pricing to qualifying students and teachers, with a 36-month license available. The student version of AutoCAD is functionally identical to the full commercial version, with one exception: DWG files created or edited by a student version have an internal bit flag set, the educational flag. When such a DWG file is printed by any version of AutoCAD, commercial or student, older than AutoCAD 2014 SP1, the output includes a plot stamp/banner on all four sides. Objects created in the student version cannot be used for commercial use. Student version objects infect a commercial version DWG file if it is imported in older versions than AutoCAD 2015. The Autodesk education community provides registered students and faculty with free access to different Autodesk applications.
Ports. Linux, Android.
Autodesk AutoCAD 360 is the official AutoCAD mobile app for Android.
Microsoft Windows.
AutoCAD is a software created for Windows, and usually any new AutoCAD version supports the current Windows version and some older ones. AutoCAD 2015 supports Windows 7 up to Windows 8.1.
Mac OS.
Autodesk stopped supporting Apple's computers in 1994. Over the next several years, no compatible versions for Macintosh computers were released. In 2010, Autodesk announced that it would once again support Apple's Mac OS X software in the future. Most of the features found in the 2012 Windows version can be found in the 2012 Mac version. The main difference is the user interface and layout of the program. The interface is designed so that users who are already familiar with Apple's OS X software will find it similar to other Mac applications. Autodesk has also built in various features in order to take full advantage of Apple's trackpad capabilities as well as the full screen mode in Apple's OS X line. AutoCAD 2012 for Mac supports both the editing and saving of files in DWG formatting that will allow the file to be compatible with other platforms besides the OS X. AutoCAD 2014 for Mac supports Apple Mac OS X v10.9.0 or later, Mavericks, OS X v10.8.0 or later, Mountain Lion, with 64-bit Intel processor. AutoCAD LT 2013 is now available through the Mac App Store for $899.99. The full-featured version of AutoCAD 2013 for Mac, however, is not available through the Mac App Store due to the price limit of $999 set by Apple. AutoCAD 2014 for Mac is available for purchase from Autodesk's website for $4,195 and AutoCAD LT 2014 for Mac for $1,200, or from an Autodesk authorized reseller.